Hey guys, Michael Lawn Addictions. How's everybody's day going today? I come home from work today, I'm backing into the driveway, and I take a look at my Pride and Joy, my front yard. And I notice something's goofy going on about it. Doesn't look right. So I get done taking care of after work stuff and I go out and investigate. And it's got this yellowish, whitish tint on the tops. You can see that from the distance as I'm pulling into the back, or backing into my driveway. So basically, what's going on is I've been lazy and I didn't sharpen my lawnmower blades. Everybody does videos on sharpening their blades and why you must sharpen your blades, keep your grass healthy. Well, let me show you what happens when you don't sharpen your blades and you mow your grass. Stay tuned. Alright, I don't know if you can tell, but I can. Just has this hint of white across the tip of the grass across the lawn. You can tell. Let's see if I can find anything good. I got some weeds. That's not good. Right in here. I don't know if you can see the grass that well, but by not sharpening your blades, you rip the grass. And that's not what we want. So with that being said, it looks like I need to sharpen my mower blades. So that'll be this afternoon's project. A lawn mowing man's job is never done. Alright guys, have a good one. Stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask, look silly, don't get the virus. Peace.